You know that feeling of wanting to love something, but then you're kind of glad you don't because it saves you a bunch of money? Yeah.
Introducing the Canon C80.
All right, what do you think of this?
Oh, it's a little big. It's quite large.
What would you pay for that camera?
Ooh, $2 to $3 grand is comfortable, but I think it's a couple more grand than that.
The Canon C80 is a lightweight, full-frame cinema camera with a 6K back-illuminated CMOS sensor, full-frame and Super 35 shooting modes, triple base ISO, 800, 3200, and 12,800. It delivers over 16 stops of dynamic range, records up to 6K 30, 4K 120 in Super 35, and supports Cinema Raw Light LT, HEVC, and AVC codecs. Key pro features include dual pixel CMOS AF2, built-in ND filters, 12G SDI, and HDMI simultaneous output, dual SD card slots, and professional audio via 2 mini XLR inputs plus BNC timecode. It'd be great for weddings, documentaries, short films, feature films, music videos. Heck, you could even do the most overkill vlog of your life. Out of all the things I've ever wanted in a hybrid, the #1 has probably got to be internal NDs. And the C80 is about the only camera I can think of with this body style and built-in NDs. Unfortunately, it just can't take a picture. Unlike Canon's hybrid mirrorless models, it doesn't have a still photo mode or shutter system, so you can't snap a traditional photo with it. It's designed purely to capture video. Sure, you could take screenshots from your footage, but I don't think that's what most hybrid shooters would want from this type of camera.
I was shocked that I couldn't take a picture.
The Canon C80 is a cinema camera, meaning it's built only for video. Now, I love video, it's my main thing, but I also need to take photos. Hybrid cameras have always appealed to me for this very reason, and that's why I've stayed away from cinema cameras. They just don't offer the hybrid features I need. So seeing this body style from Canon got me really excited, expecting to get the best of both photo and video. Sadly, it turns out the C80 can only do half of that equation. Ergonomically, it's very comfortable to hold, but you do start to feel the weight after some time, and I'm not a fan of the button layout. Quite frankly, the C80 layout pales in comparison to Canon's own legacy, perfecting DSLRs and the hybrid form factor. From accessibility to ergonomics, there is a massive benefit to having more primary functions available on one hand. I don't know why they designed a hybrid style body that can't do photography and moved all the buttons around so it's not ergonomic for a hybrid shooter.
Takes me back in the day where all we shot on was Canon. This was all I knew.
This is just a cinema camera disguised as a hybrid. I kind of hate it. No, I don't. I mean, come on, it's got built-in NDs. It's the one thing we've all been wanting. It was so close.
I feel like a real documentarian. You're gonna be like, what's your framing? It's just like, let's get your faces up in that upper third.
If it's going on a tripod, I don't care the shape of it. Talk for me?
1, 2, 3, 4. He gave you a ton of bacon yesterday. He was very meticulous because he said he'd only been there 2 weeks, so I think he's still trying to like prove himself as a sandwich maker.
If you never need to take stills, the C80 does make sense because every part of it is optimized for video. Canon gave it a 6K sensor, pro codecs like raw light and 10-bit 422, built-in ND filters, proper audio inputs, and reliable autofocus. You get cinema quality image capture, pro connectivity, and slow motion flexibility in a compact body. I'm left scratching my head wondering who this is for. People that tend to like cinema cameras don't like the photography ergonomics. And the people that do like photography and those ergonomics for hybrid shooting are only going to get video features out of this camera. I want to like it, and I do, it's just not for me. But it does paint the picture of what's possible, and I love it for that. It's a good look, it's good functionality, it's good features, it's pretty much everything I would ever want, but it falls just short. I'm sure if you buy a Canon C80, you will be thrilled. You'll love it, you'll shoot with it, you'll take great, amazing footage, but you won't take a picture.